Hi, welcome to week 2. So this is our second week working with Google Sheets, and we're going to be looking at some slightly more advanced features of Google Sheets. In particular, we'll be looking at the at mixed addressing. So we've used absolute and relative addressing so far. We'll be looking at mixed addressing. We'll be looking at some more complex functions, the if function, payment function, and also how to do counting or to look things up in a table using the lookup function. And we'll also be using some tools like sorting and creating a few charts as well. The big assignment for this week is a spreadsheet project, and that can be a project of your choosing. Um, the idea here is that you're going to investigate financing options for a major purchase. So that could be a car or a house or a musical instrument or maybe saving for a vacation or something like that. And so you can decide what you would like to finance. And so you'll need to submit a plan for that and get a little bit of feedback by Tuesday. So you should be researching what you would like to investigate and thinking of, and looking around online at the sorts of things you'd like to do. So the first thing you should do is read that spreadsheet assignment and see what's gonna be expected with that. Um, then as you go through the lessons, you should be thinking about how you might incorporate each of those tools or functions into your spreadsheet project. And you may not use all of them, but you should use some of them. The other big assessment for the week is an exam that is scheduled for Friday, but one of the advantages of having an online class is we can be a little more flexible. So I will open that exam up on Thursday at noon, and you should complete it by Saturday at noon. There will be two pieces to the exam. You'll have a Sakai part that's more like the quizzes that you'll do online, and it'll be a timed assessment, but you can start it whenever you like, but you'll have an hour to complete it. Whenever you like within that window. And then there'll also be a hands-on part that'll be more like a spreadsheet assignment, and that you will also submit online, again, more like you would an assignment. And then besides the project and the exam, I had originally just scheduled a couple other assessments for this week. One was a reflection post, which you'll still do that, and then also a spreadsheet assignment. But I decided that you probably needed a little more practice answering some of the questions that will be similar to those on the exam. So there's going to be a quiz midweek as well. And then I also want to give you credit for some of the hands-on exercises that you'll be asked to do. And so I'll just be asking you to share those, just to submit a link to those so that I can take a look at them, maybe give you a little feedback on those and give you a little more practice. The workload this week is a little bigger, so you want to keep on top of things, and then also be sure to get in touch with me if you have any questions or you run into any problems. So I think that's it. I'll be sending out a study guide for the exam early in the week, and so if you have any questions, you can ask me about that as well. So good luck.